Hello, dear juniors. Welcome back to Food Science with PJ, making food science simple and joyful. If you're new here, I'm PJ, your senior, who loves to make food science fun, easy to understand, and stress free. Today, we are talking about the basic five food groups. These groups are like the five pillars of a healthy diet. They provide all the nutrients our body needs for growth, energy, and good health. So let's explore them one by one with plenty of examples you'll recognize. First, what are the basic five food groups? The five basic food groups are cereals and grains, pulses and legumes, milk and meat products, fruits and vegetables, fats and sugars. Each group has a special role in keeping our body fit and strong. Let's start with the first one, which is cereals and grains. Examples include rice, wheat, ragi, maize, bajra, jowar, rice flakes, and puffed rice. Common foods made from these are chapati, bread, rice dishes, porridge, poha, and upma. Cereals and grains give us carbohydrates, which are our main source of energy. They also provide protein, iron, fiber, thiamine, folic acid, and riboflavin. So, the next time you eat your rice and dal or roti and sabzi, remember the grains in your meal are fueling your body just like petrol fuels a car. And the second group is pulses and legumes. The sources include Bengal gram, black gram, cowpeas, rajma, peas dry, soya beans. And these provide energy, protein, thiamine, iron, fiber, folic acid, calcium, and riboflavin. And one major use of pulses and legumes in our body is that they provide protein, which is essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. When you enjoy dal, sambar, sprouts, or any pulses, you are helping your muscle grow stronger and supporting your body repair, especially after any type of physical activity. Okay. Now, the third group is milk and meat products, and the sources are milk, curd, skimmed milk, cheese, chicken, liver, fish, egg, and meat. And they provide protein, fat, riboflavin, calcium. And one major use of milk and meat products is that they help build and strengthen muscles and bones as they are rich in high quality protein and calcium. So, when you drink a glass of milk, eat paneer curry, or have an omelette for breakfast, you are giving your body the strength to grow, repair, and stay active. And for those who are vegetarian, dairy products like milk, curd, and paneer can be great sources of protein and calcium. Now, the fourth food group is fruits and vegetables. First, we'll discuss about fruits. Okay. And what are the examples of fruits? Mango, guava, tomato, papaya, orange, etc. Guys, there are so many fruits out there. If we sit to list them down, but that it will take a lot of time and many slides. So that's why I gave you only five examples. Rest all are also fruits. Okay. So what do they provide? Mostly fruits give us carotenoids, vitamin C, riboflavin, folic acid, iron, fiber, and many more. And what is the major use of fruits in our bodies? That they provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help in boosting our immunity, protecting the body from many diseases, and also all the vitamin C rich fruits and all the fruits provide us with very good skin health. That's why whenever you have any skin issue, the dermatologist tell you to eat more fruits and veggies. Okay, because fruits and veggies have many vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, which help to boost our skin health and naturally heal our skin from any issues. Okay, so that's why to have a good skin, you have to eat fruits and veggies. Okay, okay, chalo. Now, in the fourth food group, we also have vegetables, and the sources are amaranthus, spinach, carrots, onions, brinjal, lady's finger, etc. They provide carotenoids, folic acid, calcium, fiber, and riboflavin, same as fruits. One major use of vegetables in our body is that they supply essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, which help maintain digestion and overall good health. Okay, so as I said, there are so many vegetables, guys. I only listed few, and all these help in giving us good digestion and overall gut health. Okay, vegetables are really good source of digestion because vegetables have more fiber, no? So fiber is good for digestion. Okay, more fiber, no constipation. Okay, yes, chalo. And the fifth group is fats and sugars. So, and the sources of fats are butter, ghee, hydrogenated fat, cooking oils, etc. And they provide energy, essential fatty acids, and fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K. These are fat soluble vitamins. Okay, one major use of fats and oils in our body is that they provide concentrated energy and help in the absorption of fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Okay, about these vitamins, we'll read in detail in further. Okay, chalo. And one thing, guys, fat is very important for our brain health, brain development. Like when kids, for infants and like children who are growing, like 1 to 10, we give more fats to them because fat helps in neurological development, brain development. Okay, chalo. Coming to sugars, sugar sources are white sugar, brown sugar, jaggery, honey, and etc. And they provide energy, sucrose, fructose, glucose. One major use of sugars in our body is that they provide quick energy as they are easily digested and converted into glucose for immediate use by the body. However, fats and sugars should be eaten in moderation. Too much can lead to weight gain and health issues. So, a little sweet treat or some ghee on your roti is fine, but balance is the key, okay? Remember. So now finally, conclusion. So to summarize, cereals and grains give us energy, pulses and legumes give us protein for growth and repair, milk and meat products help build strong muscles and bones, fruits and vegetables keep us healthy and protect us from diseases, fats and sugars give us energy but should be eaten in small amounts. Eating from all five food groups in the right amounts keeps us active, healthy, and full of energy. So, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting lessons on food and nutrition. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. This is your PJ signing off.